recently on Ltido's podcast, they invited Kelly Khumalo, guys, whereby they asked her about the father of her son, guys, of which is Chub Chub, guys, and she responded saying that she does not support and he is not a present father, guys. So I don't know whether you remember that episode, guys. If you don't remember the episode, here's the episode. Then after that, we'll jump on to Chub Chub's response, guys.
To hear, because I want the country to think that I'm a great father. But being a great father, this picture is very flawed. Because if really you were determined to be part of your child's life, you would fight tooth and nail to make sure you were there. I could even send money, even if I don't get to see my child, because I must worry about my child's well-being.
So so you don't even receive child support?
From who?
From the father of your children?
No.
At all?
They're all useless. All of them. Well, except for one.
Based on this episode, Chub Chub decided to respond to Kelly Khumalo, guys. He also mentioned that Kelly Khumalo must stop dragging down his name, guys, and he must stop bad-mouthing him, guys. He is a present father, and he was shocked that the year will end without Kelly Khumalo saying a bad thing about him, guys. Here's Chub Chub responding to Kelly Khumalo.
I've been looking at a lot of social media posts and comments and stuff about what the mother of my child has been saying. So, awokala Kelly Nonhlanhla ngifake ibuku ukuthi, because I understand what you're trying to do. Ngizama ukuyibhekisisa kahle, ngizama ukuyibuka kahle, ngibone into lezama ukuyenza. But firstly, I'd like to thank you for raising up my boy at a time that I couldn't, when I was locked up. I'd like to thank you for being a great mother, Guye. And I'd like to thank you for being present when I was not there and when I was still trying to get up on my feet. However, I don't like lento le uyenzayo. Don't do that and lie about me and assassinate my character. Bese ngibangele ukuthi unyaka ngaphela ngathi shoot this. Yabo? Stop it. Angithanda it. Don't do that. I shoot this. Stop it. Mhlandla. Yekela lento le ukuthi mawubheke uboy uthi ukhumbuza mina. So bigger boy with anger. What do you think my son is thinking when he grows up and starts looking at the videos that you've been making, talking about his father like that and blah blah and blah blah? Angifuna ukukhuluma okuningi and whatnot. Kelly, you and I both know what court is like. Angithi sasinyana la wakho ukhuluma ngami. I understand ukuthi makhuluma ngami obviously izoba uha, then wonke umuntu ondlingano bona laba bantu abakhomenta ukuthi ondlingano bayondliwa bona. Were they ever want that bazongena indaba engasiza mina ngisifaka endabeni zabantu ngiyafakwa. There's a difference. So don't do that. So many times I've wanted to pay damages. So many times I've wanted to get Moses. So many times I've wanted to do the right things. You've been locking me out. And Kelly, from the time Sase jail, I would bring a code. From the time I was locked up, I've been sending gifts to Efoslo every Christmas, every December, every birthday. You know what Christian's first gift was. I used to send Pablo to come and drop them off. I've got receipts to prove it. Or 2014. So please, don't make me look like a deadbeat father. I'm alive, I'm kicking. I've been wanting Christian. Christian has never thrown at me. I've even gone on podcasts and done all those things. I've made wrong mistakes trying to get people to help me. So yekela nje ukuloko uza kimi khona manje uhluphana nabantu basihlele emzini yabantu uJubu useless. That's fine if I'm useless, it's okay. Please bring Uboy, because we did try to go to court, did we not? You rejected that. Your moodly lawyer Lowe Kula, you and her ignored us. I do not want to go that way, so stop making me a deadbeat father. It's not right. Stop it. Stop it. You know, the most painful thing, Kelly, is driving to Christian school and parking outside. And waiting and just looking at your son grow every day. And you just park there and you just watch him. And you can't do anything about it, because then my son will get shouted at, he'll be abused. Can't take him for ice cream, can't take him for anything. Can't call him freely. It's the most painful thing ever. Because the fact of the matter is that Ngani says this is 2 hours. Kamelanga when I said this is 2 Ngani. I'm not asking for full custody, I'm just asking to be present in my boy's life. That's all. Try and see what it'll be like to jump in a shower, go see my son, and you don't get to talk to me. You just park there and you just watch him. But it's cool. God is at play. Don't make me look like a deadbeat father. And those soccer boots that he's wearing, just ask him where you got them from. Ask him where you got the soccer boots from. Because I love the way he plays. I watch him. The cleans are nice, ne? Ask him where you got those soccer boots from. And please do me a favor. Don't now go and shout at Christian or take the soccer boots and throw them away. Don't do that. Don't do that. And stop every time when you look at Christian or that. Because you got anger issues, kid. You got anger issues. Don't go and shout at Christian anymore. And please, Jagala, stop going around talking about me, man. It's tired. My followers, my fans, my people that support me, they're also tired, you know? So, so don't do that, man. Let's just be with boy, raise him up. I'm Jojo. And let's just co-parent nicely. I think it's time, don't you think? Okay, sharp.
Yep, guys, that was YouTube responding to Kelly Khumalo, guys. I don't know what's your take on this one. What's your review or opinion? You can leave them down in the comment section below. I love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.